The 1955 Ford Thunderbird, known as the Moon Rocket, is one of the most remarkable custom cars ever built. Created by San Francisco hot rod builder and artist Jerry Anolik, the car became a symbol of creativity, engineering skill, and the golden age of American custom car culture. Jerry Anolik purchased the Thunderbird new in 1955. From the beginning, he was determined to make it unique. Working in his mother's garage, he modified the car with custom Nerf bars, hood louvers, an extended air scoop, a roll bar, moon wheel covers, and Mercury station wagon taillights. The Thunderbird quickly gained attention at local car shows and drag races. In January 1957, Anolik's mildly customized Thunderbird won the People's Choice Award at the Oakland Roadster Show. Shortly afterward, disaster struck when the car was involved in a serious head-on collision that destroyed much of the front end. Instead of restoring it to its previous form, Anolik used the accident as an opportunity to completely redesign the vehicle. Over the next 2 years, he transformed the Thunderbird into a radical custom car unlike anything seen before. The front fenders were shortened and reshaped, the headlights were deeply Frenched into sculpted channels, and the rear wheel openings were enlarged to accommodate racing slicks. The rear section received modified bodywork and distinctive 1959 Buick taillights. Fellow custom car legend George Barris later gave the car its famous name, Moon Rocket. The car's appearance was matched by impressive performance. Under the hood sat a highly modified 331 cubic inch Cadillac V8 engine equipped with a GMC 471 supercharger and 4 Stromberg carburetors. The powerful engine made the Moon Rocket one of the fastest custom cars of its era. Between 1959 and 1960, Anolik drove the Moon Rocket across the United States and even displayed it in Puerto Rico. The car won numerous awards, appeared in magazines, and became one of the most publicized custom cars in America. In 1959 alone, Anolik reportedly earned thousands of dollars in prize money from show appearances. The Moon Rocket achieved another milestone at Bonneville Speed Week in 1960. Competing against purpose-built race cars, it reached more than 163 miles per hour, an extraordinary speed for a fully customized show car. Unfortunately, during a subsequent run, an engine fire severely damaged the handcrafted front end. Disappointed, Anolik retired the car and placed it into storage. For approximately 50 years, the Moon Rocket remained untouched. It preserved its original components, including its blown Cadillac engine, license plate, racing slicks, an extensive collection of documents, photographs, posters, awards, and receipts from its travels. The car became a unique automotive time capsule. In 2010, the Moon Rocket returned to public view at the Sacramento Autorama. Later, collector Joe Hickenbottom purchased the car and conducted a meticulous restoration. The body was refinished in its historic silver and red color scheme, while countless original details were carefully preserved. Today, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird Moon Rocket is recognized as one of the greatest custom cars ever built. Its combination of radical styling, racing success, historical significance, and remarkable preservation has secured its place in automotive history. More than 70 years after the Thunderbird first left the Ford factory, Jerry Anolik's masterpiece continues to fascinate enthusiasts around the world.